नमस्कार सभी को। आज मैं खाने जा रहा हूँ इंडिया का एक नंबर पॉपुलर डिश है बटर चिकन, दही और दाल मखनी और बटर नान। Alright, so guys, today we are at the Vaishno Dhaba on the highway Jalandhar Fagwara Road. So Dal Makhani is a classic North Indian dish particularly popular in the Punjabi cuisine, made with black lentils, kidney beans and a rich butter and spice based gravy. So this is all the food that we are going to try today. We have some sweet lassi here. This is to gulp down the spice. And next we have dahi. This is plain dahi, basically milk, right? Looks all creamy and all that. So yeah, that's the next thing that is going to help me to get rid of the spice. And these are the rotis that we are going to try. You know, I actually paid for 3 rotis, but I'm getting 6. Look at that. 6, or maybe it's one big roti that was, one big naan that was broken in half, and then I don't know, but this looks like a lot. And this is the Dal Makhani, and this is the king of this video. For all those Dal Makhani lovers, trust me, this is your video. And if you think that I can try better Dal Makhani somewhere else, let me know in the comment section. Alright, if you think that you like such content, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified each and every time that I drop a new video. So with all being said and done, let's get to start trying our food. So we are going to go with the Dal Makhani. I'm just gonna put it in this plate. I don't know if this is what I'm supposed to do. I'm new here, okay? So I'm just gonna put everything in there just like that. I'm making a little bit of a mess right here, but yeah. So let's just get going. So this is how I'm gonna be serving. I think that I was supposed to get something that is, you know, slightly bigger so that I can just put it and make it easy for me to scoop with the rotis. But well, no. I have this big plate right here, so that's what I'm gonna use. Alright, let's go. So I have to break it like this, the naan, right? And then make a V shape, sort of like, you know, a cone shape. Just like that, so that I may be able to scoop this thing like a spoon. So yeah. Now just like that, we get it. This type of cooking makes me to remember the cooking of my mother. Like when my mother took it upon herself to cook beans, it would have this thick and amazing taste, that it would have this thick gravy and the amazing taste, and trust me, you wouldn't want to deny her food after she cooks beans. And this is an example. It's something that makes me want to go home during the summer vacation, which I'm not, but yeah, let us get another scoop. I think it's getting too small now. Wow, what I love about this dish is that there's some chili right here, as you can see, red and green chili, but still the level of spiciness is not that bad. I think it's because there are not a lot of spices that are placed in here. I don't know if anyone can help me with the makeup of Dal Makhani. If anyone can help me with the makeup of Dal Makhani, trust me, I would want to make something for myself, because this is a delicacy. And the rotis also, they're really soft. When it comes to breaking it, it's very simple. It's like me breaking, you know, bread. I know it's flat bread. Someone is gonna say that in the comment section, but yeah, the way it is soft is really amazing and easy for me to take a scoop just like that, and we are on our merry way. Why isn't the scoop thing working? Okay, let me just use the spoon. Wow, it has a well-regulated soul. Damn, you know, it's been very long without vlogging, to the extent that when I'm vlogging, right, and then I'm in a restaurant and then people are looking at me, I feel shy. Like right now, yeah, I got eyes on me like 10,000, and I'm starting to feel shy. But anyways, let's just get down to business and continue with whatever that we're doing. I think the other thing that is pissing them off and making them to look at me weird is because I'm the only one who is talking too much in this restaurant. So they're like, what the heck is wrong with this guy? But hey, you know, when you come to do something, you gotta finish it and make sure that you finish it to the bottom. Alright, so let's get another scoop. Trust me, I've said all I want to say about Dal Makhani. It's a delicacy that a lot of people are missing out. Wow. But there's one thing that I'm feeling. I feel like my Dal Makhani was almost burnt. Slightly. Yeah, you know, there's that smell of slightly burnt beans, but still it doesn't taste terrible. Like if I burn beans, you won't even like to eat it. Like it'll be terrible. Now I'm starting to feel as if the Dal Makhani is less than the one that I need, because all the scoops that I'm putting in one go, it's too much. Like really too much. I can't stop myself from getting more and more and more and more. Trust me, this is really good. Alright, so I had taken this dahi so that I can, you know, curb the pain that comes with spiciness, right? But then I don't think it's of any use right now, because you know the spice is well regulated and I don't need anything to regulate the spice any further, because you know staying in India has made me to change in many various ways. Like first of all, I can't eat something without spices. Like I feel like it's totally numb. I don't know how I'm gonna do when I go back to my country. I think I'm gonna be a big menace, because trust me, I will need the chili in there, I will need the garlic in there, I will need the ginger in there, I will need different spices, paprika, everything. I just need it in there. As long as it doesn't have spices, I don't think that it'll taste really good for me. So I think I'm gonna be a really big problem. But well, I think I just have to taste the dal. I don't think I have to taste the dahi though, but you know, some people in their restaurants, they put dahi, right, and then they put water at the bottom. But I then figured out that here, it's not like that. As you can see, it's just dahi and dahi alone. So let me just get a scoop. By the way, you know, I've seen a friend once trying rotis with dahi. I don't know how it tastes. I've never done it before, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. Experiment time. But I think it tastes good, because the expression that my friend gave me was like, oh, this is amazing. So let me get to see if I can get the this is amazing thing. Let's get diving in. Ooh, damn. So this is like eating bread with milk, and weirdly it tastes good, man. It tastes good. I never thought, oh, I've tried rice with dahi, right? But then I never tried rotis with dahi. I thought that it wouldn't taste the same, but well, it does. Let us get a little bit of lassi to put some sweetness onto the food. So yeah, this is Sweet Lassi. I wanted to try Amritsari Lassi, but they say they don't have it. A lot of people in the comment section have been telling me that I should try Amritsari Lassi. I've been trying Amritsari Lassi. So soon, I think on the 5th of June, I'm going to Amritsar. So I think I'll try Amritsari Lassi there and get to let you know how it tastes. Alright, so now we are going back to our Dal Makhani and the Butter Naan, because this is a really good delicacy. I have to keep on going and try to finish all these 6 pieces of Butter Naan that I've been given alone. Wow. It gives you a new slap each and every time that you take this in your mouth. It's just something else. I think that's too good. Okay, I need some lassi. Oh, by the way, I never told you about this part. So, Vaishno Dhaba has 2 pots. So there is the AC pot here, right, inside here, and then there is the outside, which is damn hot. Like when you're outside, even if they give you a fan, it's not working. It's not working at all. I was sweating, so I decided to say no. You know what? Let's just get inside the AC hole. But then I'm in the middle. I can't feel the AC that much, but at least it's not that hot. You know, it's cool. It's good. Only that people here are looking at me. Anyways, let me just go back to let me try to finish. Oh, another thing, I know that a lot of you are waiting for what I'm going to rate this food, right? Dal Makhani is something that I've been meaning to try for a very long time. I've heard it from my friends in school, and I've heard it from people where I stay in the Indians, right? And I think it's worth trying because number one, I don't know if it's only this restaurant that they don't make it really spicy, right? But the spice is well regulated, the salt, it tastes really good, and it has this thick gravy that makes me remember back home. So I'll definitely give this a 9 out of 10. It's nice. Now I'm gonna make my videographer try this so that he lets me know if I'm saying the truth or not. Yeah, you'll be seeing him in 2 seconds. Yeah, so my brother, I want you to tell me what you think about the Dal Makhani and Butter Naan. There we go. He has to go for a second time so that he can feel how it really tastes.
Yeah, it's amazing.
It's amazing. How amazing. Is it a 9 out of 10 amazing in accordance to you?
9.
9.
Yes,
Wow, that's amazing. Alright guys, so as you can see, the food is done. And this is one of the most satisfying things that I've tried in this month, besides butter chicken. This is really good. So guys, you know what? I would like you guys to just click the subscribe button and the bell button and click the like button and drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know of the things that you want me to try in the next video so that we can get it going. Alright, so now it's Lassi time. Let's meet in the next video.